Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Inside the Studio with Susanna. Leave your comments below. Let me know any questions you have or any topics you want to hear about. Nice talking with you. See you soon. Hi again, this is Susanna. I've created a membership platform with a lot of free resources and reference information and a variety of products with price points for everyone. I show you all of the options and allow you to choose your own path and support you in that. You get everything you need here for your online business. You can jump in all at once or start off small and increase as you're ready. I encourage you to try different things and see what works for you. I provide many avenues which allow you to experience small successes before moving on. This is the best learning process as you gain experience, see what you like, and build confidence as you go. I offer a mode for everyone, do-it-yourselfers, done with you, in which I show you how to do it and you follow along with me doing it at the same time, and done for you, which ranges from templates to speed up your work and make it easy, no figuring out anything, just do it, to the done for you can go up to a fully built out platform, marketing machines, funnels, content, and copywriting. Now this is what you need to do to get started. Sign up for a free membership and email list so you have access to the free resources I'm going to assign you to use. Start with this quiz to determine which of the 5 online businesses is for you. If you're a full-time employee and you're thinking of becoming self-employed with your own home online business, take this quiz to find out if this is the right move for you. If it isn't, or if this is not your interest in the first place, you can still create a great side income or retirement income with an online business. If you want to start your online business, expand your online business, or create multiple income streams through an online business, you definitely want to start with the fundamentals, which are your niche, product, and audience. If you're an entrepreneur and already have a product or service, clarify your niche and audience using these materials. If you are starting a new business such as affiliate marketing or other, you want to choose a niche, product line, and audience. Use these free materials for that. Next, you'll start working your way through course modules in the members area, and I'm also going to refer you to some outside training tools and resources also available in the members area. In the process of working through your to-do list, you will set up your online marketing machine and start generating income. You will be able to ask questions, get guidance and coaching from within the members area, and access resources, libraries, and technology tools and product reviews, and even get some free trials and discounts. Online course members also get free reviews of their work and guidance. You'll get suggestions to create the best possible marketing. Now I'm getting a little ahead of myself. I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of the offerings, and is there anything else you'd like to see? How can I serve you better? And what do you think is missing in the industry that you need? Go to my Facebook business page and put in your comments at facebook.com/Creative Alchemy Online Home Biz. That's biz, B-I-Z. Talk to you later, and I hope I'll see you online in the members area. Well, that concludes today's episode of Inside the Studio with Susanna, and I hope to see you next time. Have a great day.